Welcome all dear learners. Today's topic of this video is dual cycle. Myself Vishrant Borkar, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department, CSMSS College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. Now, outcomes of this video are you will able to identify different thermodynamic processes involved in dual cycle, able to explain working of dual cycle, able to explain different processes isentropic, constant volume and constant pressure involved in this cycle. Let's talk about dual cycle. The dual combustion cycle is a thermal cycle that is a combination of the Otto cycle and the diesel cycle. It is difficult to achieve either constant volume or constant pressure in actual SI engines due to amount of time required for the completion of combustion process. Therefore, dual cycle is proposed. What does it mean? As we have seen in the Otto cycle, heat addition takes place at constant volume, and in diesel cycle heat addition takes place at constant pressure. But for addition of heat in both the cycles, we have very less time because piston reaches at the TDC and suddenly starts moving down. In that fraction of second, the complete burning of fuel doesn't take place. That's why this dual cycle is invented. In this, partial heat is added at constant volume and partial heat added at constant pressure. Let's see in a PV and TS diagram. As you can see in a PV diagram, there are 5 points. Now we will discuss about these 5 processes. First process 1 to 2. As you can see in the graph, 1 to 2 is an isentropic compression process in which volume goes on decreasing and pressure goes on increasing, in which the piston moves from BDC to TDC. Due to that, compression takes place. After that, at the end of compression, spark is ignited. So, due to that, heat is generated. The burning of fuel takes place. The partial heat after burning of fuel takes place at constant volume, and when piston starts moving downward, the pressure increases. So at that time, partial heat is added at constant pressure. So in a process 2 to 3 is a heat addition at constant volume, and 3 to 4 is a heat addition at constant pressure. After that, from 4 to 5 is an isentropic expansion process in which volume goes on increasing, pressure goes on decreasing, and temperature also decreases. And process 5 to 1 is a heat rejection process at constant volume, at which all the burnout gases are exhausted from the engine. So this is the working of dual cycle. If you have any questions, you can write me in a comment box. Thank you. Thank you very much.